Okay, it is Thursday, and we have something different to start out for our rhyme recognition. I'm going to say 3 words, and you tell me the 2 words that rhyme. One of them does not rhyme, okay? Let's try it. Flash, mash, me. And you would say flash, mash. Those are the ones that rhyme. Me does not rhyme. Okay, let's try it again. Fun, lunch, bunch. I hope you said lunch, bunch. Bath, boy, path. I hope you said bath, path. Beach, ball, peach. Beach, peach. Tooth, tile, booth. Tooth, booth. Last one. Sun, such, much. Such, much. Okay. Onset fluency. I will say the 3 words. You tell me the sound that they start with, okay? What, whistle, when? Wha. Cheese, chimney, chin. Cha. Sheep, shy, shopping. Sh. Than, them, that. Th. Thump, thud, thaw. Th. All right, good job. We're going to blend our phonemes. I will say the phoneme parts. When I go like this, you blend them together. Then I will tell you the word. Make sure you got it correct, okay? D, I, sh. Dish. R, e, ch. Reach. N, or, th. North. W, I, t. White. F, e, sh. Fresh. Sh, I, ft. Shift. Th, o. Throw. Got some harder ones in there. Okay, today we are isolating the medial sound. Some of them might be short vowel sounds, some of them might be long vowel sounds. Ath, a, t, eth, e, br, sh, th, o's, o, sh, ein, I, sh, l, l. Okay, segmenting, get your chopper out. I'll say the word, you say it, and chop it up, okay? Which, fish, beach, splash, o, ash. That was a hard one. I helped you. Inch, inch, smooth, teeth. Okay, I'm going to add an initial phoneme. When I go like this, you tell me the whole word blended together. We're starting with ear. Add ch to the beginning to make cheer. We have red. Add th to the beginning to make thread. We have ease. Add ch to the beginning to make cheese. We have in. Add th to the beginning to make thin. We have art. Add ch to the beginning to make chart. We have oars. Add ch to the beginning to make chores. Good. Now I'm going to delete that initial phoneme. We have the word chill without ch. What's left? Ill. We have the word shout without sh. What's left? Out. We have the word chow without ch. What's left? Ow. We have the word shelf without sh. What's left? Elf. We have the word shield without sh. What's left? Yield. Okay, our last part, substituting phonemes. We have the word fake, change f to sh. And what's the word? Shake. We have the word how, change h to ch. And what's the word? Chow. We have the word love, change ul to sh. And what's the word? Shove. We have the word pain, change p to ch. And what's the word? Chain. We have the word knees, change n to ch. And what's the word? Cheese. We have the word low, change ul to sh. And what's the word? Show. Good job. I will see you tomorrow.